Welcome back. In this lesson, we'll learn how to create and format column and bar charts in Excel. Column charts are great for comparing values, and bar charts work well when you have longer labels. Let's start with our dataset showing 2024 and 2025 sales for 4 products. Select the entire table, go to the Insert tab, and choose a column chart. Now you can clearly see each product sales for both years side by side. If you want a horizontal version, go to the Chart Design tab, choose Change Chart Type, and switch to a clustered bar chart. Click on the chart title to rename it. Let's call it Sales by Product, 2024 versus 2025. Add data labels from the Chart Elements button to display the exact numbers. To improve readability, right-click any bar, choose Format Data Series, and reduce the gap width to make bars thicker. You can also change colors to match your presentation theme. Remember, use column charts for vertical comparison and bar charts when your category names are long. In the next video, we'll explore line and pie charts for trends and proportions. Well done! You've completed this part of our Excel learning series. In the next video, we'll continue exploring Excel step by step. So make sure to like, subscribe, and stay connected with Full Course Online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.